our pursuit of mitigating environmental impact within the Fatigue for Light project, we have adeptly employed the principles of eco-design, the seamless integration of environmental considerations into the core of Fatigue for Light solutions development process. This entails a delicate equilibrium between ecological indispensabilities and economic requisites. An eco-design methodology developed by Eurecat has been applied and specifically tailored for Fatigue for Light and its demonstrators. The eco-design methodology possesses the versatility to be harmoniously applied to diverse topics. Once meticulously calibrated to the nuances of Fatigue for Light, it materialized in a set of targeted eco-design strategies and specific actions to be applied. The application of the eco-design methodology to the lightweighting of electric vehicles is meticulously executed through a well-structured process that follows the Plan, Do, Study, Act (PDSA) framework. This comprehensive approach unfolds across 4 pivotal phases. The first phase consists of a comprehensive evaluation, discerning the critical hotspots and identifying the relevant life cycle stages that in Fatigue for Light are production, use stage, and end of life. The second stage is related to the eco-design strategies definition and setup. Building upon phase 1, targeted eco-design strategies are meticulously delineated for the case study. In the third phase, the technical and economic viability of the carefully described eco-design strategies is analyzed, and these are adapted to the technical requirements. Finally, the last phase is related to the definition of concrete eco-design actions. The pinnacle of our process is the formulation of precise and actionable eco-design initiatives. Within this context, we employ an analytic hierarchy process, a potent decision-making tool, which is applied during dedicated webinars with participation of all the project partners. From this exercise, a ranking of the eco-design actions is obtained. The application of this methodology results in an ecologically enlightened approach for electric vehicles lightweighting. Life cycle assessment and life cycle cost are powerful tools that allow to evaluate the environmental and economic impacts of, in this case, vehicles throughout their entire life cycle, from raw material extraction to manufacturing, use, and end of life or disposal. These 2 methodologies assist in selecting materials with lower environmental footprints, optimizing energy-intensive manufacturing processes to reduce emissions and resource consumption, evaluate the environmental impact of energy or fuel consumption during the use stage, as well as assess material disposal methods to promote recycling and more responsible disposal practices. LCA and LCC dual approach is instrumental in steering the development of eco-friendlier vehicles, significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, and resource depletion, thereby fostering sustainability. Fatigue for Light solutions are expected to be more beneficial environmentally and economically feasible, offering the European community with relevant insights, not only on the specific strategies and actions applied in Fatigue for Light project, but also on the methodologies that have been applied and that can be used for other projects or topics.